Hello motivators, Timothy McCain here, and I have been having an incredible time testing out my new camera, the Canon G7x Mark II. It has been an incredible experience thus far, and I am blown away how user-friendly this camera is. Now, like I said before, my video is my very first vlog. This whole videography, photography, video editing, and things of that nature is a foreign concept for me. But I refuse to live my life in fear of the unknown. I refuse to not be able to differentiate between difficulty and impossibility. Like we said before, just because something is impossible doesn't mean, just because something is difficult doesn't mean it's impossible, because all it takes is greater effort and a willingness to try. And so I am blown away just how user-friendly this camera truly is. Even yesterday, playing with the camera, I took my son, we're out on the park, and I'm gonna show you a couple clips on that in a few moments. But even my son, when we came home playing toys, he as being 2.5 years old, grabbed my camera and was taking pictures. And in a few moments, I'll show you with the picture he took, and I am blown away. And that should give testament that this, the fact of the matter is, how awesome that auto option is on this camera. Now I'm excited to learn more. I'm excited to grow. I'm excited to understand all the features and the shutter speeds and everything and all that nature. But I'm thankful that there's a place that I can start now. For the longest time, I have been using my iPhone 10x Max, which I love. It's great, but I felt like I needed to take it a step further, and I'm investing to my channel and investing to my goal. I'm trying to change the world, and I hope you can change it with me. We can change the world one family, one person at a time, and I believe this channel, an oasis of hope in a desert of hopelessness, can be a place where we can reach people. And because of that, I wanted to make sure I was bringing out the highest quality I can, and as I grow, my quality will grow. And so join me with this vlog, and we're gonna head to the park. Some crazy things happen. You can see a couple of clips of my son playing in the slide. It's gonna be taken from the this camera right here, the Canon G7x Max, and also go through a couple of pictures. You're able to see how incredible it is. But also there's an animal my brother and I saw while we were there. We got into our trucks, and we saw from, I live in Florida, and listen, I'll let you decide, but let me, in the comment section, I want you to know, what do you think this is? This can't be a house cat. I believe I saw even a mountain lion, a lynx, or a bobcat or something. This cat was massive, and so I, from my truck, was a distance away, was able to zoom in with the zoom and was able to capture some pictures and some videos. So I'll be curious to know, what do you think this animal is in this vlog, in this video? Again, I'm just showing you some samples of this Canon G7x Mark II, a camera that is so user friendly that a 2.5-year-old toddler was able to take a decent picture. And so come on, join me with this journey as we grow better together. So cool, just enjoy these next few moments here on the channel. I am testing out my new camera, the Canon G7x Mark II. I am a complete newbie, and so I thought it'd be a interesting video to show maybe people just like me, you're just getting involved into vlogging, videography, editing, all the above. And like I said, I'm on a mission to not allow something that is difficult for me to deem impossible, but to try. So this is the efforts from someone who doesn't know any of the settings. I don't know any of the details. I know auto and I know the record button, so that's exactly where I'm starting. So I'm here at the park with my son and my nieces and my brother and a friend, and they're out playing. So anyways, enjoy this footage, and I'll do some comparison footage as well, because I was using my iPhone 10 XS Max, and show you a little bit about what is going on there. So anyways, we all got to start somewhere, right? So let's start together.
All right. We was getting in the truck trying to figure out what in the world is this animal. What are your thoughts? We live here in Florida. What do you think this is? If it's a house cat, that's a big house cat.
Got it. Uh-oh. What's doing? What's here?
Well, family, I hope you enjoyed the little scenery, my son playing. I'll tell you what, there's no greater joy than being a dad. It is incredible. I love being a father, and I felt like I had the cutest and the most amazing model, my son, playing and finding those candid moments and able to capture it in such a manner of beauty here at this easy, user-friendly camera called the Canon G7x Mark II. Listen, if you're on the fence of buying this camera, maybe you've been looking for a vlogging camera, I highly recommend this camera. Again, this is from somebody. I don't have years of experience with the camera. The best experience I've ever had was right here on my phone taking pictures, and I don't even know all the details and all the filters. So it should give testament, and I know that I have a long way to go, but it just speaks to how simple to someone maybe just like me. Maybe my channel, we started it about a little over 3 weeks ago, and but maybe you're just like me and you're just starting. Let me tell you, invest in yourself, invest in your channel, and get something that is within your price budget, in your price range, that is going to enhance and help you. And I can't suggest the Canon G7x Mark II enough. You need to check out this camera. It is incredible. So motivators, this is a very simple video today. Just wanted to show off this camera and give a testament to my first vlog and this second little mini vlog, that I am doing this, family. I am trying. We're gonna build this. It was so cool 3 weeks ago. We were at 4 subscribers. I think now look today, we're at 90 something, 92. And it's just giving testament of how awesome it is when there's a dream inside of you. You dare not let anyone or anything try to talk you out of it. And I wanna speak to you. Maybe your dream is not necessarily to start something on YouTube. Maybe it's not to be a creator or a content creator. Maybe it's not to step into this place of philanthropy and entrepreneurship and motivation, and being a bridge instead of a wall, being a voice to cross-cultural demographics or social economic, and connecting those gaps like it's in my heart to do. Maybe your heart, maybe your desire, and maybe your dreams are different. But I cannot tell you that you should not allow anyone or anything to tell you that you cannot. I believe that you can do all things. I believe you can do everything you put your mind to do, and all you have to do is start. I remember there's a Bible verse I used to hear all the time, and I never gave any testament to it until later in my life, and I believe it's so true. And it's a very simple Bible verse, and it says, I can do all things through Christ that strengthens me. And that has been a mandate in my life, and I'm realizing that, you know what, if I can do all things through Christ that strengthens me, then why am I excusing myself to start? So let me ask you the same question. Maybe you have the same theology, same mindset that I have, and that verse has meant something to you, and you keep quoting this in church and quoting it in Sunday school, but giving up and quitting every other time there's a conflict or opportunity to give up. don't throw in the towel. I once heard a saying, if you want to throw in the towel, God will throw it back to wipe off the sweat on your brow for you to keep going. And I encourage you to do the same. This video, this moment, this looking at this Canon, this camera. I've never invested in a camera before like this. I bought cameras for my wife. She's an awesome photographer. But for myself, for my channel, I've never invested in it like this before. And this gives testament into how much I am involved in this and how much I believe. And I believe that this is, as the Wright brothers, my used bicycle shop, that this moment right here is a testament. I'm going to look back a year from later and say, man, look how much things has changed. And I believe that I'm going to start hearing the comments and conversating with you, that how much this channel has meant to you. Maybe have a hard day on Monday, that you can know this channel is an oasis of hope in a desert of hopelessness. And when you feel like you want to throw in the towel, that you can hear a type of motivation and advice to dig your heels in the sand, refusing to fall down to another place of laziness and of a lackadaisical mindset. But you're saying, you know what? I'm giving it my all once again. So, family, I'm excited. Do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers, and I need your help to do it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Little unorthodox what we would share, and we got a lot more great big and tall advice, some things on dyslexia and things of motivation as well, more relationship advice coming up very soon. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be alerted to when I post videos. I post videos multiple times a week, and I'm believing, family, that we're gonna grow together. Motivators, be blessed and conquer.